kids, welcome back to your next class. So today we are going to start our new chapter, but before that I want to ask you, have you learned a poem, Baby Beds? Yes. So if you have not learned yet, please learn it, and if you have not written in your copy, I want you to write it in your copy. So stay up to date, okay? So we are starting the new chapter, that is The Little Bird, okay? So in the page, first page you see, first picture is grass, next is window, wet, clouds, house. Grass, all of you know, grass means gha. Window, we all have that in our house, that is khiriki, window. Wet, mane titi jua. Clouds, meg. House means ghar. So in this page, what you have, there is some activity you have to do, some activity for you, that is draw and color. Okay, you have to draw and color. I think you would like to do that. So a ball inside the house. So a flower outside the house means, you understood? A ball inside the house. In the house you have to draw a ball and a flower. Okay, wherever you want to draw, outside the house. Inside means, you know, bhitorot, and outside is bahirot. Okay. So now come to the next page. Here, it was raining. The grass was wet. Joe, Mahi, Beer and Anu were inside the house. So it was raining, okay? So, and the grass was wet. We all know the meaning of wet now. So Joe, Mahi, Beer and Anu were inside the house. They were in the house. What shall we do all day? So Joe said, what shall we do all day? We cannot go out to play. So Mahi said, oh, we cannot go out to play. Why? Because it was raining. Why? Because it was raining outside and the grass was wet, so they cannot go out to play. They have to stay inside the house. Oh, look, a bird has come into our house. So Beer said that a bird is coming into the house. Let us keep him in a box. Who said? Joe said. Joe wanted to keep the bird in a box. Remember this, okay? So Joe wanted to keep the bird in a box. What came in the house? A bird came into the house. And why they cannot go out to play? Because it was raining outside. Okay? So then Anu said, oh no, we must not do that. He will be sad. So then Anu said that we shouldn't keep the bird inside. We shouldn't keep him in a box because he will be sad. Sad means what? Dukhi hua. Ami jodi bird to boxer bhitorot humai thau, to ki hobo bird to sad hobo. Dukhi. Okay. So in that way they were discussing. Then after that, come to the next page. Beer opened the window. The clouds had gone. The sky was blue. The sun was shining. The little bird hopped out. He was happy. He flew and he flew and he flew. He flew to a big tree. He was singing now. What was he singing? So Beer opened the window. Okay, who opened the window? Beer opened the window to let the bird go out of the house. Okay, the clouds had gone now and the sky was blue. The sun was shining. Okay, the sun shines in the day. Yes or no? So the little bird hopped out. The little bird went out and was very happy. The bird was happy because it was free. He flew and he flew. So the bird flew and flew and flew and flew to a big tree. Okay. Then he was singing. Okay, what was he singing? I love you Joe, I love you Beer, I like you Anu and Mahi. So the bird was very happy because they set the bird free. So then the kids said, then the bird again said, I love the trees, I love the flowers, and I love the sunshine too. So the bird loves to be free in the air. The bird loves the trees, the flowers, and sunshine. Then the kids said, we love you too. So this is the story. So we shouldn't keep the bird in a cage. As we don't like to stay at home, likewise the birds also don't like to be in the cage. So this is the story. So if you have not understood anything, you can call me, and I want you to go thoroughly through this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.